Okay, let's see if our connections worked. Oh, look at that. The AEM gauge is on. Very nice red illumination. And now the unit has heated up, being the wideband unit itself. And we're now at maximum almost 18 or 19 AFRs, so showing that the unit does work. Let's test the light and see if our light kit was connected properly. I'm going to put on the parking lights. And lo and behold, the AEM gauge got a lot brighter red. Turn it down. The red dims. Turn it back on. The red's brighter. It works like a charm. So, I'm going to go ahead. Let's start the car and see where AFRs exist. AFRs start off pretty rich, typical. And it's now hovering in the bit of a lean zone. About 17 to 18 AFRs, so this definitely needs to get tuned. So what we're going to put this on a dyno and start with some tuning and do a pass and see what happens. This will be a very instrumental tool to allow us to optimize fuel ratios and get some power out of this engine. Okay, the 92 Civic EG turbo has now been installed onto the Dynapack dynamometer. And what we're going to do is going to do the first startup and see how sensitive this new needle-based AEM is. This is a perfect test vehicle because we have very large injectors, 1600 cc's to be exact, in each cylinder. What this does, it manifests itself in such a way that there's so much fuel that can go through these injectors that keeping very, very, very nice fueling at idle is a challenge. So, what that does, it gives you a wide variety of AFRs at idle. Let's see how sensitive the AEM is to this phenomenon. The sensor is now warming up. And now, we're getting some accurate readings here. It shows an AFR of 10.0, and any moment now it should go a little bit leaner. Okay, the AFRs on the 1600 cc injectors are varying between 14 and 16.5 AFR. So the UX was amazingly accurate and sensitive. Comparing that to what I see on the large screen with the other brand of AFR reading, it's extremely accurate. I see the needle now hovering between 14 and 16. So let's do some passes and see how the AFR fares as well. At that point, we made 515 horsepower. The AEM is still a little bit rich. So we'll take away a little bit more fuel and see if it improves our power potential. And now the AFRs are hovering in the 14.6 range. So we'll do another pass to see if it helps out a little bit. 540 horsepower. So the AEM UEGO definitely makes a difference. We're using it as a tuning tool to lean out the mixture to get appropriate amount of power, reliable power. In conclusion, we learned some exciting information today about the new AEM Analog needle-based wideband UEGO. Not only is it very nice looking from an aesthetic perspective, but also installs very easily and is extremely accurate, even in the most demanding of race and street applications. So that being said, go out there and get one, install it as we have, and have plenty of fun. See you out there. Great racing.